Good afternoon, it's Angus Levy. It is the 13th of January, just coming up to midday. Now before we start trading, guys, there's something I want to show you that might help you with your trading. This new indicator, the MBFX that I shared yesterday in the Skype group, it's very useful for knowing when to take a trade and when not to. You'll see I have green lines here at the 80 and 20 mark, and that basically is your overbought and oversold lines. It's not a good idea to take a signal, for example here. This yellow arrow came in below the when the MBFX was below the 20 line. So do not take it until the MBFX is above the 20 line. Now we've got a couple of signals just popped up. Euro GBP, no, that's not a goer. But UJ is, so if you want to get UJ ready, let's have a go at UJ. I'm going in at 58 just to make up for my last trade that I lost. Oh, a bit late, sugar. Of course it dropped just as I entered. Going on from what I was saying, do you see how the MBFX is below the 20, so it's oversold, and that's why I was happy enough to go in. Now, I'm in a bit of a risky situation here. I'm only just in the money. It needs to stay up, ideally even go up a little higher for me to win this trade. And I was a few seconds late, even though it says 00 there. It's slow, this site, compared to MT4. That's it, that's okay. Now I'm happy. Now I'm feeling safe. So now I've recovered my loss at the end of the last session. Good. Excellent. Yeah, it is, Daniel. I don't know. I mentioned it yesterday to Rob, who's our guy in ETX who looks after all of us, and he said he'd be having a meeting with Guy, who is the boss in charge of the binary. But as I said before, it's actually, in fairness to ETX, what they do is they just buy this setup from another provider. You've got big guys who put together all of the software and everything for the binary platform, and companies like ETX just, you know, rebrand it for themselves. Okay. So I just want to welcome you all. Douglas, I don't know who iCenter is. Maybe you'd like to just type in your name in Skype so I know who you are. Ifty, Steve, Tracy, hi folks, all very welcome. Daniel. Now, just to go back what I was saying before, one of the things I've noticed about the MBFX is it's very handy for knowing when to take an arrow trade and when not to. For example, here, the arrow came in, but the MBFX was below the 20 here, or the 80 mark, okay? In that case, it's probably advisable not to go in. Now, it doesn't always work that way. Here's an indicator when the MBFX was quite high, it was about 30. Now, it did come down just to the 20 in this arrow here, but then rose back up. So, you know, we possibly would have missed that trade. So, you know, there's winners and losers, but it's just another way of ensuring that you're not entering too early into a trade. Here's a good example. Here was a signal popped off, and the MBFX was way down here. and it didn't actually become a winner until it went above the 80 up here. So you'd have had one entry which would have been a tie, second entry would have been a win. Okay. Here again, there was a signal, it was no-go, signal, it was just, now you see it probably only went under during that, so you probably would have entered here. Okay, so you'd still have had a 1, 2, see the way it's, the value charts have gone back up, so you'd have had a 1, 2, 3, fourth entry, bang, winner. But it would protect you from entering for these two and getting in a sticky situation. So let's see, will we get any more signals? Why is that not? There we go. Now here's one here on GU which we wouldn't have taken even though it was a winner, and the reason is it dropped down below the even the 2 line here, went as far as probably 3, 2.5 at least, 2.58, and then retreated all the way back up, okay, above the minus 1.25. In that case, we don't take the following trade, even though in this case it was a winner. The signals have been regular enough up to now. I've been watching for the last couple of hours, and there's plenty of good trades. There's no real news due out. I've been keeping an eye on the economic calendar as well. So there's nothing due out for another 4 hours of any significance. Crude oil stocks is coming up in 3 hours. But I don't trade commodities. I have in the past, but I don't at the moment. If you wanted to trade commodities, you just click there. So where's crude oil? 31.8. So it says 31.10. Still very low, isn't it? Funnily enough, prices at the pumps haven't reduced to quite the same extent. Why am I cynical? Okay, so we have a few new people here. Still waiting for iCenter to tell me who they are. Just like to know who you are, just so I know. But if any of you have questions, we have a few new people with us today. A few old people as well coming back. Hi Manuel, welcome back. Ifty, I've known Ifty for quite several months. He's just new onto the group here. Hey Emmanuel, are you down as iCenter as well? Okay. Hey, Craig. Welcome. It's looking a bit like it was this morning. We only took 3 winners in the first half hour, but we've got a good bit of teaching in. So I put up the recording for you, the link to the recording from this morning. So if you missed it, those of you who are new especially would benefit from looking at it, because I go through the different indicators and stuff. Okay, we have a signal here on AU. Get your AU ready. Now, it's coming up to the 100. I'd like to see it, just touch it. It's not quite up to the 80 there, so we're probably going to wait this one out. I mean, it's down to the, we wouldn't take it anyway because it's now down below ooh, look at that. Sometimes this happens. You get all sorts of weird arrows, so just reinstall your, now USDCHF, oh sugar, came in the last second, didn't it? Either that or I missed it, so my apologies, guys. Because I was concentrating on this. Those would have been 2 nice trades. Okay, UJ. UJ is an iffy one there. It's on the middle Bollinger, but it is on the channel. So I might go for it. Stays where it is, yeah. It's up to the 50. I'm going to go for it. No, it wants to go up. May come back down. It is in the overbought zone just. Problem is it may want to carry on up now, so we'll just see. Could be going for the 61.8 and then reduce. So I might go in for a second entry on this. Okay, I'm going to take it. Just want to see what AU is doing. Yeah, it's going up for the Bollinger here, guys. It's just found a bit of resistance there. 136. It's coming back down, which I don't like to see so early. I'm not entering again. Sugar. I just want to see it come up a little more before I re-enter. I might be wrong. Let's check out AU. AU I prefer now, guys. It's on the 161. So I'm switching to AU for my 136 entry. UJ actually is just as good now. It's dropped already. So I'm sticking with AU for my next entry. Getting ready to enter, entering. Calm down. I'm popping in and into the money, out of the money, into the money, out of the money. There we go. That's what I wanted. Okay, our next potential is USD CHF. So I'm just switching over to USD CHF for 25 for a put. It's on 261.8. That's really strong. Very good. 3, 2, 1, enter. Excellent. And we won that AU. Just going to prepare in case I need to go back in. There we go. That's what we wanted. Good. Excellent. Super. So that should be our third winner. And here's our UJ only winning now, okay, in the last minute as well. So it was right to switch. Don't be afraid to switch pairs. If you see something, I mean, I did say that was a risky one at the beginning. So that's why I was quite happy to switch to something else. When I took it, it was only just into the 80 on the NBFX. So that was the right decision to make, switch to this. So I hope you're getting a feel of how to, just because you're in a particular pair does not mean you have to stick with it, okay? Technically, probably shouldn't have entered until this one here, so it would have been a 1, 2, 3 tied 4 win. Okay, EG, according to this, is giving me a signal, but no, that's false. Don't know why. I'm just going to reload that just in case. Just I've got a pop up there for that EG, but it's obviously wrong. Okay, what was that? Can't see any arrow anywhere. It says GU. GU. No. Although that would have been been very close. 1.73. Yeah, very close to giving a signal. Moment I'm up 256 on the day, which is nice. something really wrong there. It was saying GU for a call. There's no way that was a call signal. Okay, USDCHF. Once more. I'm liking it. Maybe going for the, where's the 61.8? I can't see it. It's a good big candle. NBFX is in the, oh, there we go. There's 61.8. Okay. I'm happy to enter this. I wanted to come back down too much, so I want to stay up there. 3, 2, 1, ready, enter. Nice, that's an orange arrow. Ignore that big green one for the moment, it's just something I've been testing. I'll probably remove it after today. I know many of you have been just trading on your demos, those of you who've been with me for a while, because last week was, you know, up and down. We did okay. Tuesday was a bad day though. I think you should consider going back to your live accounts if you haven't already, because so far this week we're up well over 1,000. So okay, that was a winner. That was, I think, was that a 4th or 5th one now? Somebody want to count how many we've done? I'll take a look. 2, 3, I think it's 4th. Yeah, 4th winner. I'm just going to check also how we've been doing this week. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, we're actually, so far we're up 1,160 for the week. So obviously we'd be over 1,200 by the time we're finished this session. So we're averaging about 400 a day in 2 hours. Now, hands up who wants to earn 400 or 200 an hour average. We usually actually do a little better. We're normally up around the 250, but I'm not going to complain. Okay, Ifty. Now, once more, guys, you know, I'm not saying this is perfect. You've seen me trying to improve it all the time. Keep looking for ways to help us avoid getting into these sort of trades and all that sort of stuff. You know, there is always a chance that things can go wrong and you can make a loss. Euro USD, that's not a valid signal. I find if I leave my system open for more than a few hours, that sometimes I need to reload each template. Otherwise I start getting skewy arrows, you know, popping up all over the place. Look, use your own brains. If you see a signal alert and it's obviously not above the 1.25 or below, or 1.75 or below the 1.75, then below the minus 1.75, then there's something wrong. Just reload the template. Might get a signal shortly from AU. I like to look for potential trades and just have myself ready. There's another potential coming up here. Oh, now GU and EG. Actually, I like EG. EG, Euro GBP for call. I like to stay down a little bit. There we go. Okay, we'll take this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, enter. It's gone down a little bit. It's back up in the money. Out of the money. It's going to probably do that for a little bit. One thing I didn't notice, did anyone else? The NBFX was not below the 20. So I might switch now actually to GU for my next trade. Switching to GU. We can come back to EG if it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, enter. There we go. And as it happens, EG decided to go up as well. But I'm happier with this. Now as I look at it, I see it hadn't quite reached the 80 either. Ah, sugar. Stay down. Look at that. Okay, I'm having to re-enter. It is at the 80 now. Just entering. That's it. That makes me more comfortable when it goes back below the 161. Oh, come on, don't do that. Shoot. Yes. Whew, that was a close one. That's a very close one. 2 pipettes. Too close for comfort. Okay, EG is still cooking. What was that? UJ, it says no. Okay, EG looks like it's going to win on this one. No. I prefer to see it come back down, guys, before I re-enter EG. Okay. So we're not going to take it unless it comes below the 1.25 again. And this is another thing. If you're in a trade and it's the value charts are going up, now I'm looking to go into EG again. When the value chart, when the price is going down but value chart is going up like this, I stop trading. Okay, two choices, GU and EG, but I'm sticking with EG for the moment. 3 choices, in fact. Don't want it to rise up too much. Let's stay where it is. 5, 4, 3, 2, entering. Go back up. That's it. There we go. Go back up. And it's winner. Just. A bit more than just, I think. Enter 32. Okay, looks like UJ 38. So that was 6 pipettes. Okay, UJ guys is nice, looking nice. Yeah. Okay, UJ 25 for call. Although, hold on. It's not quite down, is it? It's not quite down enough. See, it is on the 100 though. No, here we go. Okay, I'm thinking I might go for this one. It's virtually down to the 20 here. Not quite. It's a 50-50. So take it if you're willing to risk it, entering. But it has potential to go further down. It's bouncing on the in and out of money for me. I probably went in a second too early. There we go. Good. I should be compounding today and yesterday, shouldn't I? We're actually doing really well. Okay, now the signal. Where was that one? USD CHF, I don't see it. Yeah. False signal. Okay, we're on 333 for the day now. we can take 4 more wins in the next half hour, we'll be on our 400. Okay, USD CHF, it's just coming up to the 161, so I'm going to go for it. Entered just a second too early. Keep an eye on Euro USD. We may go in for that too. No, it's making its move. Okay, the next one is GU. GU's middle Bollinger. It's on the 38.2 now. It's made its move. So we'll wait for GU. It's not ready. It may go up. It may go up, but I'm not going to risk it. It's now just below. It's now just coming into the overbought. So yeah, there it goes. Did you see that? Where it just moved into the 20 zone, and then it shot up. So how are you guys doing? Have you been taking these winners? 4 winners in a row now. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've taken 8 winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 winners. When I look at some of these other gurus offering, 4 and 5, maybe up to 10 signals in a day, I'm charging a couple of hundred a month for it. Remember, guys, those of you who haven't signed up, my birthday week is this week, and I'm giving the system for 200 this week. But you must sign up to ETX with a live account to get that prize. Okay, I don't know where that's coming from. Don't see where that's coming from. It says UJ, but no, it's not. It's wrong. So UJ may give us a signal shortly. 3 wins for you, Tracy. Good. Not sure what you mean by a push. Again, I don't think that's a valid signal, whatever's going on there. UJ again, it's saying, but it didn't go, I don't think it went low enough. Very nearly. 1.46. Okay, GU. GU ready? It may be looking to go higher, guys. Maybe looking to go higher. Be ready to re-enter this if necessary, but I think we'll go for it. Entering. Yeah. See, it wasn't quite on the... So this is actually proving very useful, this MBFX, for when it is overbought or oversold. So I shouldn't really have taken that trade. It's a weak enough one. I'm going to re-enter, but if you haven't already taken it, stay out for the moment, guys. Entering. It's probably going for the 161. The only reason I said stay out is because it was, it's sort of in between the 100 and the 161, so it, there was a chance it could have carried on up. There was no other supporting besides the Bollinger. There was no other supporting indicator at the time, so I just didn't feel right encouraging everyone to enter if they hadn't already. So that's a winner. It's number 9, is it? One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. 9 winners. 370. UJ, AU. UJ may pop off a arrow shortly, but it's not really strong enough in the sense that it's not in the overbought zone from the NBFX point of view. That doesn't always mean that it won't go down after the arrow, but now it's very nearly up to the 80 now. See that? Very nearly up to the 80. It's at the 161.8. If it stays around there, I'm actually going to go for it. If it doesn't retrace now. No, it's doing it now. I'm going to enter. No. Probably a close one. Okay, I'm going to enter again. Oh, we have USD CHF now. It's a good strong one. It's very nearly up to the 161.8. If you want to get ready on that. No, it's gone down too much, guys. It's only just on the 1.25 now. It's too risky because it can still want to go up to the 161.8. Okay, and we won the UJ on that second entry. Maybe we should have taken UCHF, but it's better off, I think, that we didn't because it could have gone up. Anyway, c'est la vie. Still 20 seconds to go. It looks like it wants to stay down. That's fine. You don't have to win every single signal. Nothing wrong with staying out. Okay, UJ. UJ is on the 23.6. That's retraced already. I won't take it unless it stays down around the 23.6. just get ready. Okay, I'm going to take it. Ah, stupid me. I didn't look at the MBFX, did I? I'm still not used to looking at it. I'm just tired at the moment. But we may not win this. I want to see GU go higher before we take that one, even though it's on the channel there. I think it should go higher. Okay, get GU ready. I'd like to see it stay up. Oh, shit. Can't take it now. Has to be back up. No, can't take it, guys. Sorry. That may well come down this candle, but it just didn't obey our rules, which were, it's gone below the 1.25 there, okay? It's just on the 80, which is the overbought, sorry. But it was just too much of a 50-50 there. I wasn't willing to take that one. Euro USD. Euro USD, maybe heading for the 161.8. It's just on the 80. And go for it. Sorry if I don't give you enough notice all the time. Sometimes you don't, yeah, see it's going for the 161.8. So just be prepared to go back in again. Touched it and came down. Okay. UCHF, UJ guys, UJ. Enter. Okay. UJ wants to go down. They want to come back up. There we go. It's only just in the money though. There we go. Super. Having a stonking session this time. It's a great word, stonking. Oh no! Stay up. Yes. Okay. Winner. Oh, isn't this exciting? It's 4 more winners in a row. This is the way it should be. I mean, November and December were hard, really hard. We had some nasty days, but today is roaring it. Look at this. Oh, you can't see it. 446. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 winners. Super. 13 winners in this session. It's around 250. Five minutes to go. Signal there on GU. Just get GU ready. Yeah, it's over in the overbought zone. It's, oh, no, wait now. No, no, no. It's making its move now. EURUSD may be looking for a, just let me expand it out. It's going to keep going down. It's going to keep going down. What I was looking at there was A, B, C, D. Now, it could want to come back up, which it's doing now, and then go further down. And it'll come down until it probably hits this channel again, somewhere down around here, I would imagine. So this is just a minor A, B, C. So here's the A, up to B, down to C. Might go up to D again and then down. I expect it to carry on down, to be quite honest. And we didn't take this because it stopped above the minus 1.25, even though that looks like it's going to be a winner. Again, no point risking it. Okay, one more signal on GU. It's an iffy one, guys, because it's on the 50, which is nice. It's in between the Bollinger Bands. So if it stays on the 50, I'll take it. It's just below it now. Okay, I'm going to go for it. No. Okay. I'm going to have to go for a re-entry. Euro GBP is looking nice as well. In fact, I prefer Euro GBP. Switching to Euro GBP for a put. Entering. looked like it wanted to go back up and hit it. So third entry may come down. There we go, back in the money. Gonna be a close one. There we go. And stop, come down. This is our last trade, guys. Yes, we won. Okay, good. Only just, my goodness. I only just won that. One pipette. Wow. Still, if you lost and you went back in, you'd be in a nice winner now. So that's our up, guys. Let's take a look at our results. I'm going to put this up on Facebook, and please add your comments. I really appreciate it when you do. Just to, let others know that it's not just me trading. Up 466 for the day. What were we for the morning? I can't remember. 1 second now. We're 175. So we're about just under the 300 for this session profit. So 290 odd euros for this session. That's brilliant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 winners. Super. Brilliant. Okay, guys. Signals are popping up all over the place. If you want to carry on trading, do. But I'm just I'm stopping now for the day for myself. So this is Angus Levy for Binary Option Networking. We've surpassed the 7,000 as well on our way. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all tomorrow at 8 a.m. Take care. Bye-bye.